subtraction by estimation. We are subtracting by estimation. Okay, calculate the difference between the following. Calculate difference between the following numbers by estimation. Check how the difference it is by actual subtraction. Now we are making the estimate and afterwards we are checking the actual number, the actual subtraction. Okay. So example I am taking 352. So here is what we are estimating the numbers. So with difference. So 352 minus 170. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is one? This is a push down. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a push up. Now I am telling this one. See, is rounding off to the nearest 100. They are telling 100. So here it is what? 552 is there. So what we have to do this one? We have to make that one nearest 100. Then we have to round off. So round off we are making. So 100 place means what? We have to see the tens place. What we are doing? See the tens place. Then what? Here is a 5. 5 means what? Push up. This is what? Push up and this is push down. So where we are pushing this one? So 100 place, that is the tens place we are seeing this one. 5 is there. Then we are pushing to the 100 place. So plus 1. So what happened this one? 3 plus 1, 4 and tens place is 0 and 100 now ones place is 0. Why? We are making this one round up. So next one I am taking this one 7 and 170. Okay. What they are telling? 100 place you have to see. 100 place means what? Which place we are moving on? That is the tens place. Then that is a 7. 7 means what? You have to push this one. Where you are pushing that one? This one we are pushing to the 100 place. So 1 plus 1, 2 and the tens place is 0 and 100 place, the ones place is 0. Now what happened? Now estimate the difference. Now we are seeing the estimate the difference. Now 400 minus 200. So this is what? Estimating number. That is a 200. 200 is round up. We are round upping this one the difference. Now actually which that one sum, which that one is coming. Now 352 minus 170. So how we are doing? If we can do here only, otherwise you have to write down like this: hundreds, tens, and ones, and 352 minus 170. Yes, no? So you can subtract this one. So 0 means 2 means 0 means that is a 2 and 5 is there. So you are borrowing from here. So here it is a giving. So here is a 1. 15 minus that is 7 means 8 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 852 is actual number. Actual this is difference. The estimate is only that is a 200. Okay. Next example. Second example. This one 713 minus 245. So what we are doing? We are rounding off hundreds. That is the nearest 100. We are rounding off. This is 100 place. Afterwards we are estimating the difference. Afterwards actual difference. Okay. First we have to move on. This is 730. Now what we are telling? 100 place. Nearest 100 place. We have to see the tens place. We have to see the tens place. Now 1 is there. If is 1 is there, what happened? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a push down. So we are not doing anything. 7 as usual, that is a 7 only. Then 1, that is a tens place is 0 and 1's place is also 0. Now second one 245, where we are seeing the nearest 100. Hundreds, we are round upping of hundreds, that is the nearest 100. Then we have to see the hundreds means we have to move on the tens place. that is a 4. 4 means what here? That is a push down. So we are not doing anything. Then what happened? 2 is remaining 2 and tens place is 0 and ones place is 0. Okay. Now estimate difference. Estimate difference. Now what happened? 700 minus 200. So 2 zeros are 2 zeros and 7 minus 2 means 5. 500. This is an estimate difference. This is an estimate difference. Now we are actually difference what? That is a 713 minus 245. If you want, make like this only. Otherwise, you cannot do that one. You can write down vertically. So 7130 minus 245. Okay. Now the 3 and 5 we cannot separate, so we are borrowing from here, and 13 minus 5 is that is 8, and here it is 0, and again we are borrowing, that is a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and here it is a 6. 6 minus 2 means 4. The actual number is 468. Okay. Now we will move on exercise part.
Exercise 4.11. Estimate, that is calculate the following difference by estimation to the nearest hundreds and verify by actual subtraction. First one, 714 minus 593. 714 gets round, we have to round up off. So what we are doing here? So we have to see the 100 place they are telling. So we have to see the tens place. That is a 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means that is a push down. So here it is nothing is changing. So 7 and tens place is 0 and ones place is 0. So second one, that is a 593. We have to see the tens place. What they are telling here, it is a hundreds, nearest 100. So we have, this is a 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what we have to do? We have to push up to the 100 place. 5 plus 1, 6. And 10 place is 0 and 1's place is 0. So 700 minus 600, that is a 100. The actual difference between the numbers is 714 minus 593 is actually, that is a 121. Second one, 672 minus 578. So we are round upping of this one. So 100 place they are telling. So we have to see the ones place 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means we have to push up to the 100 place. Then what happened? 6 plus 1, 7 and 10's place is 0, 1's place is 0. 578, we have to see the 10's place. Then what we have to do? We have to, this one is push up or a push down. 7 means push up. Then it is a 5 plus 1, 6. 10's place is 1, 0 and 1's place is 0. 700 minus 600, that is a 100. The actual difference between the number is 672 minus 578. So the 94 actual number. Now actual difference number. Now 924 minus 678. First we have to see, we have to round up this one. 924, 2 is pushed down, so it is a 900, and 7, where this is a push up to the 100 place. What happened? This is a 7 plus 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1, that is a 7, and 10's place is 0 and 1's place is 0, 700. 900 minus 700. So what that one? 200. So the actual difference between the number is 924 minus 678, 246. D1, 560 minus 394. 564 we are round up of. This is what we have to see the 100 place to round up of. Then we have to see the 100 place, that is a 10's place. 6 is there, so we have to push up to the 100 place. Then what happened? 5 plus 1, 6 and 0, 0. And here it is a 394. We have to see the 10's place. We are pushing up to the 100 place. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 0, 0. 600 minus 400, that is a 200. Actual difference between the number is 560 minus 394 is 166. E1, 583 minus 385. So now we have to round up of which one we have to round up? That is the nearest 100 digit they told. So hundreds, near hundreds. First what we have to see, 100 means tens place you have to see. Here it is a push up to the 100 place. 5 plus 1, 6. And 0, 0. 0 tens place is 0, 1's place is 0. 385, you have to see the tens place and you have to find out it is a whether it is a push up or push down. 8 is a push up to the 100 place. Then what? 8, 3 plus 1, 4. Then 10's place is 0, 1's place is 0, 400. 600 minus 400 is equal to 200. The actual difference between the numbers is 583 minus 385, 198. F1 796 minus 235. 796 we are round up of 800. How? We have to see the tens place. Afterwards decide it is a whether it is a push up or a push down. So 9 is push up to the 100 place. So plus 1. Then 7 plus 1, that is 8. And 10 plus is 0 and 1 plus is 0. So 800. 235, we have to see the tens place. That is a 3. Means push down. We are not changing anything. So 200 remaining, that is 2 is remaining 2 and 100 10 place is 0 and 1's place is 0. So 800 minus 200, that is a 600. Actual difference between the number is, that is a 561. So Asim traveled 782 meter while his brother traveled 522 meter during the morning walk. Estimate the distance Asim traveled more than his brother to the nearest hundreds and also calculate the difference by actual subtraction. So Asim traveled at 782 meter. His brother traveled 552 meters. Round up of the nearest hundred. So 700 we are 782 you are round upping. Here it is a 10, that is a 100 place they told. So we have to round up this one. We have to see the tens place and this is a push up because y 6, 7, 8, 9 push up. So we are pushing to the 100 place. Then 7 plus 1, 8 and 10 plus is 0 and 100 plus is 0, 800. And 552 we are seeing that tens place. Then again it is a push up to the 100 place, 500. That is a 5 plus 1, 6, 600. So 800 minus 600, that is a 200 meter. The actual difference is 782 minus 552 is 230 meters. Review time. So you have to this one. I am done this one, but you have to write on in your fair work and practice this one. So arrange the column and find the difference. We have to arrange and find the difference. So you know. 2456 minus 100, 1214. 2456 minus 1214. So we have to subtract, that is answer is 1242. Same like you have to do B1 and C1 like this. And the D1 answer is 222. And E1 we have to subtract this one, 6289. Here it is a 678. This is a practice. Review means again here this one, practice for this one. G1 this one answers 192, 5492 and I1 6100 and here it is a 680 and 600 this one and L1 is 2210. This is again you have to practice this one, that is a practice for you, but I done this one for you and you have to practice this one. So M1 is this one 1225 and N1 is 496 and O is 518 and P1 is 2006. Now solve this one. This is what we have to mix back this one. We have to first we have to add the plus one and minus, that is outside you have to put the minus sign and how to add this one. Afterwards what we have to do, first one answer, the first step and second step you have to make a minus. So 4111. Second one same like this. So first you have to add the plus sign and afterwards minus sign. You have to group this one. Afterwards this is adding and afterwards you have to minus this one. This is a third step. C1 like this same. You have to first step is you are adding this one. Second you are putting outside the minus. sign, we are grouping the minus sign, and afterwards we are adding this one. What we are adding? This one. This is you are adding, and afterwards you have to subtract this sum and this answer. You have to subtract first step and second step. You are subtracting, then we are getting answer. D1 same like this. Okay, the answer is 3463. E1 same. The step is first step, second step, and third step. The answer is 1251. So third one is solve the following word story. So here is the word story is there. All questions are there. Okay, the answer is. So the answer is this one. Solve the following words story. First word problem. This one. The story sums. So the answer is 12. So here it is a word problem is there. Second one is B1 is answer 5220. So thus the people watched the whole match. Then third one C1 is 335. 335. The number of pages, this one the D1 question the answer. So the 2322 pages are still left for printing. E1, so 3013 kgs are left with him. Then F1 is stamp collection, that is a 4427 stamps are left with the Aditya. So mental mass, this is a tick the correct. What would be subtracted from the 666 to get 222? So the answer is 444. 1 less than the smallest 4 digit is number, that is a 900. Then this is what you have to make a calculation. Afterwards we have to, first one you have to add this one 3410 plus 1000, that is a 410 minus 210 you have to minus. Then our answer is what? 4200. Now the difference, when the difference of our smallest 3 digit and 4 digit number is, that is a 900. Smallest 3 digit and 4 digit numbers is. Then if you one subtracting from the another from a number, we get that it's a predecessor. That is a 4th chapter we finished. Now afterwards we will move on the multiplication, that is a 5th chapter. Okay, bye bye.